In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok video under review problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your video is stuck under review, it basically means TikTok's automated system has flagged it for potential guideline violations. So now in order to fix it, open up your TikTok app, and then from here, make sure to log in and sign in, and then go to your profile. And then from here, we want to click on the top right hand corner where the three horizontal lines are. Now we want to go ahead and click onto settings and privacy. Once we're inside settings and privacy, we want to navigate our way to the bottom of the page, and under support and about, we want to click on report a problem. Now from here on the bottom of the page, it should say chat with us. So go ahead and click onto that. If it doesn't say chat with us, you might need to go ahead and update your TikTok application to the latest version and then come back to here. And now where it says send a message, go ahead and explain the issue and request a manual review. And you can also go ahead and put in screenshots of what's happening or video recordings to add in with your problem. So what I basically said here, my video has been under review for too long. Can you please help me fix this? And then I'm going to go ahead and hit the send button and just wait for TikTok support to get back to you. Generally, TikTok support is pretty quick, so you just give them a few hours. Once TikTok reviews your request, they'll notify you whether your video is approved and uploaded or if it violates their community guidelines.